Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
It's like, what the fuck are we doing, people?
Stop. Stop. Yeah, back up. Back up!
God, my dash cam's gonna catch all kinds of shit.
Good. Come on, keep coming, back up. Jesus.
I drive right into the field. I don't give it. I'll make it.
I like how she expected him to back up.
I'm turning here, bro. What are you doing? This is the turn lane. No. No, this is a turn lane. You can't go all the way down this way. No, you cannot. What is these people doing?
That was a stale red. Holy
I know.
fuck.
Oh my god.
Start. Why didn't you see that? Holy. What the? Jesus Christ.
You okay?
Yeah.
He became a corrupt politician. I mean, taking bribes, taking gifts, just terrible stuff. I'll never forget when he was busted for it.
To a higher purpose than just the immediate job description of what they're doing. So this is something that can be done for anybody in a company. You don't have to be an executive or a high-ranking manager to have a sense of purpose, a sense of higher purpose that connects to the work that you're doing. So I'm kind of curious to know, how is it that you think organizations can go about doing that? Not just for founders and CEOs and people in the C-suite, but for everybody. How does that help instill?
Harold demanded. At least I was useful to my queen.
Whoa.
I told her, Moon interjected,
What
opening
a
one
jerk.
line pointedly.
Jesus Christ. What? I didn't like it. Shit. What's a stop sign, bro? She didn't even stop. No.
I think I have it somewhere on I had it on a record. Oh, how nice.
Excuse me.
Another worthy moment.
Your door's open.
Shifts, and I'll make sure they introduce themselves to you when they first arrive so you know who they are. But after that, you're to ignore them. Don't feel you have to feed them or let them use your restroom.
What the
Is this guy f***ing dumb?
Okay, Garmin. Save video.
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.